Tuesday, students. This short video will give an overview of what you need to accomplish today. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, only 4 more school days left until spring break, and we are going to continue our conversation about filibusters today. The first thing you're going to do is a jigsaw, where you're going to be researching one of the famous filibusters in history and completing the filibuster jigsaw activity on Schoology in today's folder. Each student will be creating one slide. I will explain more about that in just a second. Number 2. Assuming I am not there with you today, you will be debating with Mr. Rawlings, and he will be sort of fostering this conversation between you and your students and your peers about whether or not we should eliminate the filibuster. And then finally, before the bell rings, you will have approximately 10 minutes to answer the debate question, should the filibuster be eliminated, using at least 2 reasons from your article or your research or elsewhere. And I will explain that more in just a moment as well. So step 1 is the filibuster jigsaw. Thinking back to yesterday, we learned about one filibuster. I showed you the example from Ted Cruz. However, you're going to be learning about more today. These are the 6 different options you have to choose from. You can pick any of them. I don't care. You're going to research one of the filibusters using Google and answer some questions. How long did the filibuster last? What was the purpose? What is one interesting fact? And did it work? Okay. The slide you're going to complete that information on looks like this. It is a Google Slides assignment, and you will have to enter in the information as if you were creating a presentation slide. You'll also have to add a quick picture. So for example, yesterday we talked about Ted Cruz a little bit as our quick bell ringer. Here's a little more about his filibuster. It was in 2013. It lasted 21 hours and 19 minutes. The purpose of the filibuster was that Cruz and his Republican allies were trying to prevent a vote from being called about the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare. An interesting fact, we watched it yesterday, is that he read Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss, and he says in the video, if you watch the beginning of it, that he was reading it to his kids at home who were going to bed. And did it work? No, it did not work. The bill was eventually passed. However, he did try, right? Okay, so this is what each of your slides will look like once it's done. I found this information by doing a quick Google search using credible sources to fill in these boxes. You will do the same thing for one of these 6 different filibusters. This should take you no more than 15 minutes. Once you complete the filibuster jigsaw, you're going to move on to the debate portion of today. And the debate question is, should the filibuster be eliminated? Now, step 1 will be debating with people in class or on Zoom. However, after that, assuming you have 10 minutes left of class, what I want you to do is answer in a discussion post the debate question using specific evidence from either the article we read yesterday, the videos we've watched, maybe your examples, or your own research. I want you to answer the question, should this practice be eliminated? Why or why not? Okay, with that, you are done for today, so let's review. Step 1 is to complete the filibuster jigsaw activity where you're researching one famous filibuster. Then if you have time in class, you're going to discuss or debate, and then you're going to post to the discussion post. Have a good day, guys.